As the local government elections draw closer, a community in Brydeen in the northern part of Durban, fed up with service delivery in that area. ENC reporter Nqobile Madlala is there asking the community what is the cause of their unhappiness. She's joining us now live from just the northern part of Durbs. Nqobile, good afternoon. Where exactly are you and what's the sentiment on the ground just a few days to go before the local government elections?
Well, Durban, North Brydeen, but I just want to show you, this is one of the cause of the pain for this community. This was a tendered process that was sent here. Basically, people were told that these are the toilets that they need to use. They're PITS toilets, Brydeen, in this time of our lives, they get PITS toilets. They're saying that they've never liked it, they've never wanted it. It was imposed on them, and some of the toilets also that they are using, they're saying that they're not cleaned on time. There's lots of things that are really coming out of here, including the fact that there is also issues with regards to them getting people to pick up to pick up the dirt here. As you can see there at the back there, you can see that those plastics. There's nobody who comes here. The truck that's supposed to pick that up doesn't come here on time. Also, there's an issue in terms of water, sewer. There's also lights issues. So a lot of things coming out here. We spoke to Action SA earlier on, who was telling us that there are a lot of things that they would change with this community, because clearly there seems to be a human settlement issue, and they're saying that needs to be sorted out. But now joining me now is APC, who also seems to feel that there is some of the issues that they can provide a solution for. So, Bamgubane, awusichazele yini ningayenza differently in this community?
So, African People's Convention hleze sikubeka kubantu ukuthi uAPC njoba ukhona usungulwe emva kwedemocracy in 1990 after 1994 sikulungele ngawo wonke amandla ukusiza umphakathi wethu ongaphansi kwezimo ezifana nalezi. Into edala ke ukuthi abantu baphile esimweni esifana nalesi ile sokuthi sinabantu abangakulungele ukuthi bashintshe izimpilo zabantu uma bebabona ukuthi basezingeni elidinga ukuthi li-elevate noma liphakanyiswe uhulumeni alibeke esimweni sokuthi abantu bazifile ukuthi babalulekile eSouth Africa. Kumanje laba bantu sidinga bayosivotela, kodwa isikhathi abahleli indlela abahleli ngayo nesikhathi esikuso manje njengohulumeni okuwona ophethe bona sinzima kakhulu. Sinzima nje ngoba kunabantu abangabacabangela abantu abasweleyo. Ngikhuluma nawe nje iTheku lisando kuveza ukuthi selakhe izindlu ezilinganiselwa ku-9,000, and umbuzo ke uthi ziya kobani uma kusenabantu abahlala endaweni ezinjena, ngoba uma ngabe thina njengo African People sithi sifuna ukuletha intuthuko kubantu, singeza kubantu abantu uma besinika ithuba, singeza kubantu abasesimweni esinje. Kuleso simo kube yisona simo esisisusayo emehlweni nabo, bangakhulisa izingane esimweni esifana nalesi. Uma usiza umphakathi noma uthuthukisa umphakathi, uya kumuntu osweleyo usize yena ahluphe asuke esimweni sokoswela aye esimweni esingcono nesikhombisa ukuthi ungumuntu naye futhi ungumvoti eSouth Africa.
There was a time that this community suffered from a fire. My question is, as APC, where were you?
We were there. When we were there, but you know, we've got departments in a municipal. There's one thing that was ashamed. I'm very much ashamed about, because when somebody had fire in an informal settlement, our own municipal has provided informal settlements to assist those people. You cannot say to somebody who was living at a life that was not accepted, and when you say you're assisting the very same person, you brought him back to the same environment the way he was, then it was not an assistant. It's painful that it is the municipal that has provided these things. Which are they using now? Which municipal that is having a budget of 52 billion when they talk about the budget of this municipal, but they cannot assist a community like this one who need that budget directly to assist them.
And of course, we know that because it is that time where people go to the polls, a lot of promises are put forward. How do we know that you have a strategy already for these people?
The African People's Convention with our President Themba Koti, we examine the period. We are in democracy and we have found the problems. And when we found the problems, what we're telling people is that we're going to have a ward budget. It means every municipal where we are, we will impose and force the municipal to make sure that in each and every ward there is an allocation of budget that's secure to them, so that people of that ward, they will be able to say that's what we want to be done, because they even know their own budget that is allocated to them, to say we wanted to do 1, 2, 3, saying for themselves and being able to see what they wanted from the government, it directed to them.
All right. Thank you very much, Bamguban. Well, as you can hear there, Bradan, APC promising a lot of things, of course, saying that they would have a ward budget, which will look, of course, into strengthening the local government to ensure that places like this don't have to worry about simple, basic service delivery, as we heard much earlier from some of the residents here saying that it's been a difficult time. It's also important to just explain this, Bradan. This ward that we are at, it's under DA, but of course falling under eThekwini municipality, which is under ANC. And we do understand that from the DA DA councillor, that they have already also explained that they are unhappy with the situation that happened here, and they would like to see also change happening on the ground here. But you can see there's a lot of people that want the votes, and they are here to explain exactly what they would be doing.
Thank you very much. Nobile Madlala there in the north of Durban this hour on the ground, hearing from one of the parties that will be contesting the local government elections come the 1st of November. That's next week, Monday.